This problem is just like the other problems. Okay, we still want to solve for x, but again we have these annoying little fractions here. So again, you want to pick a number that 3, 2, and 4 can go into evenly. Again, the number 12 sounds just about right to me. So what you're going to do is multiply each term by that number in order to get rid of the fraction so you can deal with whole numbers only. So here's my 12 over 1 times negative 4/3 x minus my 12 over 1 times 3 over 2 equals, here's my 12 over 1 times 5 over 4. So again, we're just going to go through each term and simplify and multiply these numerators by what's left. So with 12 and 3, I can simplify that. 3 goes into 3 one good time. 3 goes into 12 4 good times. 2 goes into 2 once. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So now my answer is going to be 4 times negative 4, which is negative 16. Don't forget about your x. Then I have a negative 6 times 3, which gives me a negative 18, equals a 3 times 5. And don't forget, I didn't write it, but that negative sign is still there. So we get negative 15. Now the next thing to do is to get all the numbers on one side of the equation. Since my variable's on the left, I want to get my numbers on the right. So I'm going to add 18 to both sides. I'm going to bring down my negative 16x equals negative 15 and positive 18 again are opposite signs. So you need to subtract and take the sign of the higher number, which gives me a positive 3. Again, to get x by itself, you need to divide by negative 16. Divide by negative 16, both sides. Negative 16 divided by negative 16 leaves me with a positive x equals 3 over negative 16. Simplified.